Hello everyone, so here is this app which is in top charts in App Store, which is called BUSTR, and it's about BBW dating. So it's a short for like big beautiful women and also like big handsome man, BHM. So yeah, of course you can use Tinder or you can use Bumble or some other like top dating apps. But in case you want to date like specific people, or you just know your type, or you're in the niche, maybe it's just better to use these like apps which are like focused on that category. Yeah, and there are a lot of apps, dating apps, which are just covering specific types of people which you're interested in, and yeah, that then I think you can reach more success here. So let's just create an account to see how it looks here. So okay, I just need to enter my username, email address, some password, and then just continue. And then yeah, I can just add my gender, and then I can just add some photo. So from here I can just add that, tell about yourself, write something about yourself or about your ideal match. And there you have it. Now you have created an app. So super easy and fast way to create. Then of course you can select your filters as in other dating apps. You can select location, all of that, and this is how it looks like. This is the app. You can get verified here. You can see visitors, you can see chats, you can see like some highlighted profiles, and here you can select between new, verified, and people who are online. And yep, so and then yeah, you can swipe right, left as on Tinder, and then yeah, that's basically how it works. So yeah, that's the idea. That's how you create a profile.